Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Unais Ghadiyali, and welcome to another live stream. So, if you are into SEO, AI search, organic traffic, and building authority of your content sites and something, so today's stream is for you. We have a team, whole full team with us over here of Nuwtonic, which was previously called All Schema. You must be already aware of it. And yeah, here is a team of Nuwtonic, Debarghya, Himadri, and Rima with us. Welcome, guys.
Thanks so much.
Welcome.
Thanks so much, Sunish, for giving us an opportunity to go live with the launch today. We're launching today itself. Thanks so much. Yeah.
Awesome. So, I would like to begin with introduction of yourself and then your team members, and we'll move ahead with the tool. Right?
Sure, nice. So basically, myself, Devarho Roy. So I have around 15, 16 years of experience right, working with different tech giants, right? Prior to started working on SEO. SEO and AIO, I am currently around having 7 years of experience. So we built a couple of platforms. And our last platform was Alt Schema, and then from Alt Schema, we have been, it's rebranded to Nuwtonic. Definitely why? Because it's having 10x of what we can see, even more than 10x what we can see today at all schema. And definitely we are currently at a state where we are looking ahead to a search atlas or similar platform as a competition. And definitely we'll go through the demo once we go done with the intro and all. Thanks so much. Yeah, sorry, Himad, you can jump in. Yeah, thanks so much.
Yeah. Hi guys. I'm Himadri. I'm having around 15 years of experience working in different MNCs. I have around 6-7 years of experience in ACO, AEO recently came. So apart from that, previously I started a couple of startup and Newtonic is one of them. Yeah. So there are a lot of new features we have come up with which was not there in the old schema, and we got a lot of feedbacks which we introduced here. And in a couple of minutes probably we'll see what we have done so far. And there are a lot of fixes which I think nobody is giving in the industry right now for any SEO related problems or any AIO related problems. If you see, now nobody is giving any fixes. They are giving only the audit and what problems you have, but how will you fix it, and how will you bring back the traffic? That is the main important game here, right? So we have focused much more on that. Yeah, in a couple of minutes we'll see that. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for your introduction. I would like to know about that. What was your goal? Let's say, what was you trying to solve what were you trying to solve when you built all schema, and how this evolved into this new tonic, which is you can say a rebranding or let's say an evolution in your journey.
Right. So basically, let me take that up. So only the thing is, as I referred, no, Newtonic is not took birth in 7 8 months or 1 year. As I told, we had been working on SEO 6 7 years, right? And we were trying to build solutions which is scalable, right? When we entered the SEO industry, we saw a lot of SEO gurus, SEO people are providing a lot of insights, right? So we tried a couple of them initially, 6 months, 1 year, but we did not get satisfied, right? And we started experimenting a lot with how Google ranks any article, any content, right? And eventually we ended up doing around 70 to 80 wild experiments on SEO while we are building our startups, right? And trying to test out different algorithms, different patents, what currently we have in as Google, right? And see what is happening in what case. And during this process, we have learned a lot. We built a lot of small bots. Our previous experience was kind of on robotics, AI, machine learning, and around those. Way before ChatGPT came in the market, we started working on ML, right? So we had been building those small bots, small utilities that we took few of them in alt schema, right? Just to see the product market fit is there or not, right? Because we don't want it to be, known, okay, this is something another AI tool or another SEO tool, right? And our intention was very clear. So if you see today what Himadri was referring, I'll take Himadri's word and take it to explain to the further. If you see today, 95% or 98% of SEO and AI tool in the market, they only talk about data. They only talk about, they basically give you simple data, right? Okay, your website has this problem, you're missing out with this backlink opportunity, you're missing out with this keywords and these things, your competitors are doing well. Those are, we somehow felt, probably if somebody can take an action on that, that becomes extremely powerful. Second was SEO is very much, or AI is very much dependent on personal expertise, right? So let's say one person is great at SEO, right? He can do very good SEO, but let's say I'm a new guy, I came into the SEO, I'm a solopreneur, I am trying to rank my website, I don't know SEO, right? I cannot rank. So it is very much human dependent, human analysis dependent. We wanted to solve that. It should be, we thought, okay, there should be some systems which does lot of processing within itself and gives you what exactly you need to do, step one, and going beyond, just click of a button or two or three click of a button, it will be implemented, so that you can start seeing the reflection of what is to be done. When all schema came, so basically that was 10 or 15% of the work that we had done, that we had gone live with. We saw very good result, very good traction, very good feedback. And then we thought, now this is the time, we, let's say, we rebrand it to the ultimate tool or platform we are developing for so many years. And the intention is very clear. We there should you, let's say if you're using Nuwtonic, 6 to 9 months, you don't need another single tool in SEO AI space. No, not a single tool you require. Second is, you don't need a SEO agency by your side. Everything can be done analytically by Nuwtonic. Third one is auto fixing every issues that you have today, right?
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, that's the idea, and that's what we are already heading towards. Coming back to last part, agencies we have seen can handle 50 clients, right? But we wanted to give 50 to 200 client they can scale, because if some, let's say I have 20 employees in my agency, SEO agency or AI agency, I can handle 30 client or 20 client, right? Because I have to analyze their each of the sites, analyze. So I wanted to reduce that time to 1 hour from 1 day or even 1 week. So we'll see in the platform how we are reducing that time, making, enabling the platform to that level. That's the intent. Himadi, do you want to add anything else?
No, I think pretty much you have conveyed the message.
Awesome. Awesome. So now let's move ahead further. That we'll be exploring the tool itself. You can share your screen and give us a walkthrough of whole tool. Uh, and let's cover everything: what it does, what it can do, and how easy it is to do with Newtonic.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay. Okay, your screen is here. I just pushed it on. Yeah, your screen is now visible in stream.
So basically, if you see here, we have three different pipelines. These are all multi-agent pipelines. So one is for specifically SEO, where you are doing your performance metrics analysis, where you are seeing whether your CTR is up or down, and based on that you can take the decisions. And from there only you can make the fixes. Or maybe if you want, there some keywords are there. I know it is probably I have not written any articles. Probably you can write the article for that particular keywords. So that is one part. Second is we are giving sharp here, so you can do the sharp analysis for your particular keyword, who are ranking in your competitor, and what are the URLs they are ranking, and why you are not ranking. That also you will be getting from that. Apart from that, in this module you will also get what are the keywords. You can track the keywords daily basis and see historically how the performance is. So this is in a nutshell, we can talk about this. This is the performance opportunity. Second is AIO search audit. So here basically you can do audit for your URLs and see whether your pages are AI citable or not. If it is not, what are the reasons? And then you can have a fix. You can create on fix. It will do the fixes for you, which you can eventually apply. We are supporting multiple integration like WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Webflow. This is another pipeline where you can generate the content, do the topical on analysis. It will create a 4 or 5 level of topical clusterings for you, so that you can, in a nutshell, create a full topical authority of your brand and write the content. Individual agent, which we had already in the all schema, we are keeping that as well. So individually you can create a schema, you can generate meta, you can generate alt text. If any alt text are missing in your URL, you can generate it. You can generate the FAQ from your content and you can push it. So this is the overall
And Himadri, I would like to
yeah.
go through the pricing ones. I mean, the features ones basically, not the pricing specifically, but the features. So, Unish, we are currently at a state we are currently have around 95, 98 features as part of the platform. All right,
Okay.
come down, please. Yeah, if you see in AIO pipeline, right, we have AIO audit, bulk, and site audit, right. Site audits is something is coming up, it's in development. Auto fix, so basically auto analysis will be done, single click it will be auto fixed. And then AI prompt tracking, and few of them we have not added so far, we have to add. So let's say citation tracking, computer tracking, those things will be add on, right. AIO brand analysis, right. AIO computer insights, and AIO geo content writer or content generation. Come down, please. And in SEO, you have this many analysis done out of gate. So basically, few folks has already, please stop one second, already reached out last time with all schema. The what is the, let's say if I have SEO gets or SEO sub review or SEO crawl, this kind of tools which basically shows you the analytics or search console data. What is the difference? So the difference is people show data, we show analytical data, right. If I give you 1,000 rows or let's say 50,000 rows, you have to do the analysis. It takes 7 hours to 10 hours for your time to identify the opportunities what to be optimized. We are doing on behalf of folks, so that's the difference actually. Come down. So if you see, these are the different opportunities or optimizations that we have, analysis we have. Then we have in content generation, we have AIO plus SEO content generator, we have single and bulk. We have another new thing that is product authority writer. Let's say you are writing, trying to write about your product, right. So you need product images and your writing should be around that. So that is something, another one. Humanize article, auto publish article, content writing with custom knowledge panel. Let's say you want to push some custom knowledge per article, that is something there. Brand analysis training already it will be done. Topical authority building. Let's say if you simply plug in your brand, it will be taking the competition into analysis, gaps into analysis, everything it will consider, and basically from there do the keyword research, do the topical mapping, clustering. And to be honest, this is not simple GPT or any other tools like, no, I have this area and give me this topics. No, not that way. Highly semantical, highly contextual, intent based topical mapping, like based on holistic SEO, and auto internal linking, external linking, right. Come down, please. Then we have keyword research, right. So AIO keyword research, whole brand keyword research, topical map with clustering. You can simply do advanced topical extension. Again, on top of that, you want to extend your topical authority, right. You can do that on different level. SEO keyword research. Come down, please. And then tracking, you have GSC tracker, we have sub tracker, we have AI audit reports, AI prompt tracking, SEO performance report, white label reporting, custom. Even you can, customize your dashboard. You can basically drag and drop different widgets from different zone, and you can resize those things. All you can do. And definitely you have, let's say, 100 websites under one or multiple GSC, you can simply look at the single holistic dashboard, which will show 100 website performance, how you are doing. This simply as same as other, you have like SERP and other SEO gets this thing. There's nothing new, but yeah. And supported models are this many AI models in terms of AI audit, and you have multi-agenting pipeline that what Himadri already talked, right? We have different individual agents, schema, meta, image alt, and we have this many integrations and workspace. So now it is completely workspace based, right? And definitely there are other things that is also coming. Yeah, that's what I wanted to just showcase. Roughly around 95 to 95, 95 to 98 features that we currently have. Yeah, go ahead, please.
So basically, what I understood is it's a complete bunch of ACO agents which can do each and every task you
Yes,
need to do in SEO or AIO, whatever you say it, right?
yes, 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 yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
awesome, awesome.
Because we saw there are tools in AI, right, which can do audit, which can do prompt tracking, but there is no guy who actually fix it for you, right?
Yeah.
And for fixing, probably you need to reach out to different folks, different, you have to spend a lot of time. Those things definitely are there. Yeah, go ahead, Iman.
Yeah, so once you have logged in, you will come to this place. This is your workspace where you can add the workspace or delete any workspace. So it has two options. If you want to connect your GSC and create the workspace, you can do that. Another way, if someone is new who doesn't have any GSC, he can directly create this and give the URL and create the workspace. So these two flows we have currently, and
And
there
probably
is another view here. So already for GSC, if you have a domain or any properties you have already added, under that property, whatever GSC you have,
Hmm.
those many GSC website will be shown here, and you can see the data here as well. So it is showing last 8 days data. So if you have
like this,
20,
if you have 100 websites under this, it will continue to show like the other
Yeah.
platform that we currently have. Yeah.
okay. So from here only, if you want to create the workspace, you can do that, or directly you can go to the dashboard.
Okay.
So I'll go to the dashboard. This is your overall dashboard.
Of single.
Probably switch back to the sensor one. I mean, these are the test website that we have been using to showcase, because then we drop on this thing are more prominently visible. Probably, yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. So this is one of our testing websites.
Hmm.
So you can see the dashboard. This is overall dashboard you can see.
Hmm.
This is for GSC. This part is coming from your AI readiness, that is audit only, and what is your citation score and all. Performance trend, that is also coming from GSC. This is your quick actions. From here directly you can go to this particular sections. Here, whatever content you have generated recently, that you can see. This is
So
the
here over here, I can see 41 content generated is number 41. So these are articles or let's say content generated by Nuwtonic, or it was previously there on that project website.
no. It is the article you have already generated here in this platform.
Yeah, but it shows zero published. So the user haven't pushed this article on website live yet. Is it there?
Yeah, it's published means if you are publishing from here directly, then it will show published. Otherwise, if it is dropped, most of the article is in draft version. So that's why it is showing zero. If
Okay.
you directly publish it, I'll show it. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
this is a planner where you can publish it. So
Okay.
you have generated article, right? Some article will be in draft, publish or something. So these are mainly in draft.
So we first approve over here and then push directly from here.
Yes, you can
Okay.
either draft or publish. If you publish directly, you can publish from here. You can edit from here as well.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the overall dashboard we have. Okay.
Hmm.
So then we have this four different pipelines. One is for SEO performance, which I was talking about, where you have the keyword rankings. You can see the keyword ranking.
Hmm.
So it will show you the data. for that keywords. These are all testing keywords, so you will not find much.
Hmm.
So here you can see.
Yeah, because it's exact keyword as domain, right?
Yes. So
Right.
basically, it will show you the your click, CTR, and impression.
Okay. So this is from search engine's
Yes,
result.
this is from your GSC.
Yeah.
These
GSC,
are
it is basically GSC keyword tracker. What you have, and you basically can add those keywords to here and probably put the filter to 1 year, Himadri, if it is there. Yeah, I mean not this one. That is there. It's okay. Performance, that's already there. Yeah, that's already there.
mhm.
Performance dashboard, you can go. Yeah, go ahead, please. So
Installing
yeah, I
last.
mean that's how. Probably select that.
Okay.
Well, that's okay. I mean, for
Yeah.
testing where. Okay.
So this is your overall dashboard. This is the overview where you can see what is your current impression. This is
Mhm.
from here also you can hover and see. Device level also it will show how much traffic you are getting, what is your current position. From there also you can understand. So
Hmm.
somewhat here, if you see the position of desktop is better compared to mobile. Mobile might be some issue with your speeds or something else. So
Okay.
country wise also you can see the breakdown. Right now it doesn't have anything. If you have, you can see it. And directly from here also you can download the data.
Hmm.
These are your top queries and their position, CTR, impression. For top pages also you will get it from here.
Hmm.
And whatever these dashboards are there, all trends you will get it from here. You can have different trends. You can add your impression, CTR, position, everything.
Hmm. So basically, we have everything over here under one roof, and we need to jump to other
Yes, you don't have to
platforms.
go to any places. For your particular this website, you can see everything
Yeah,
in
I
one
think
place only.
this totally eliminates the need to open GSC, right? Because
Yes,
Yes,
everything is over here.
completely.
and
So
that too in GSC actually you are getting. I mean, you only have to analyze all the data, right? Here we are showing what exactly is working,
Yeah.
what is not working.
You already process the data and visualize it, which is easy.
Yes,
And
and not only that, probably I can show you. Can you go to?
once.
Probably let's connect to other website which has some data.
Yeah. So now you can see data, right?
hmm,
But here nothing much is there.
Probably we can take up the voltage calculator one, the other testing site that is different. You have to use different login. Cyborg probably if you can. That has some data.
Okay. So mobile level you can see from here.
Let's see.
So it will show you what went well and what not. So all are red means you have to work on this. And there is another thing also from here. Basically, the fix I was talking about, right? From here only you can apply the fix. It will generate the fix for you.
okay. Awesome.
I mean, probably click on that. Let's click on that fix. Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
So what was this error exactly?
So it is showing what is your current growth. So over the time, it is showing that your URL growth has decayed. It didn't increase.
Okay, awesome. So
Let's say you
whatever
have
section was there.
200, 300 URLs, Unesh. Let me explain. Let's say you have 200, 300 URLs. Out of those, 30. So why we intentionally kept some sites where we can show the bad use cases so that people majorly have bad use case in SEO, right? Which they want to fix. So those URLs are not. So basically they are dead. So let's say it used to do well 6 months back. Now it is not doing anything else. So basically, you simply say, "Boss, fix it. See what is the issue." So then it will optimize your article based on SERP, what is the currently ranking on SERP, competitors, and then all the holistic SEO architecture. All of this it will do and fix it. So we'll
Awesome.
come to see others. So yeah, use case.
Awesome.
So there
Awesome.
are different use cases. You can apply fix from multiple uh, widgets or multiple scenarios that
Hmm.
Himadri will show in some time probably.
So everything it was doing, it was processes shown here. This is very good.
Yes,
We can see what
yes, yes.
what is being done right now. So we
Right,
have.
right, exactly.
And
Yeah, users have some clarity on what is go ahead, Himad.
yeah, so basically, whenever you are doing a fixes, again you have to go to multiple places and see whether the where exactly the fixes is. So
Yeah,
you will,
that's an obvious thing, and it takes a lot of time if you do it manually. Let's say if this one article I want to implement all these manually, it will definitely take me 2 hours or at least 1 hour, right?
yeah, it will be more than that because first you have to identify what are the problems. Then you have to
Yeah,
do the
yeah,
fixes. Fixes
that's
itself will take more time because you have to do the analysis and everything, right?
yeah, awesome.
So now if you come to fix analysis, yeah, it will have all of your fixes. Okay,
Hmm.
so I'll show you what this fix is actually. So this is your projected score
Hmm.
after the fixes. Okay, and this is your competitor gap analysis. Let's say if you some agencies are there, they want to I mean share the report. Okay, what happened particularly for this URL? I want to know what are the problems and what are our competitors were doing and we didn't do it. Okay, so for
Hmm.
that you can have complete competitor gap analysis.
We have to give our computer manually inside our
No,
workspace.
nothing,
No.
nothing, it will automatically be done.
Okay, awesome.
So
See,
Unais, it is like no, we used to go check all subs, all contents, their DR, what they are doing well, what are the gaps between my and this, everything only on SERP. This is only one part of what Himadri is showing, and he'll come back.
Got
Yeah.
it.
so
Got it.
first I'll show what is this sharp gap analysis. It will tell you what are the problems and what actionable fixes you have. Yet assessment for that what exactly you need to do. Competitive content structure. This is your competitor. It is showing what is their structure and what is working and what is not working. Answer engine optimization for AEO we are optimizing, right? So all of our article, be it fixes or new article, all are optimized for both ACO as well as AEO. So if you see any fixes or anything, it will be covered both.
Hmm.
So your answer engine optimization, you will see all those data here. Now this is your technical fixes. What
Hmm.
fixes it is doing. Okay. So it is telling that this is your title and this is your meta. Now content, these are the changes you need to do.
Hmm.
Okay. And then you have this places. It will show. Okay. For this article, there might be something
Which
like
area
this.
to replace, which area to add, which portion to convert normal text to table,
Yeah.
or add the missing thin content, add
I'll show
authority.
you. If you see this portion, it is telling what are the implications of oil.
Hmm.
For this particular target, you have to add this particular section.
Hmm.
So if you apply automatically, it will be applied here. Okay. So what are the other thing? Content additions. What content additions you have to do? Structure. So these are data you have missed. It will add all of this data for you.
Hmm. So like this, we have our approval system in house that we are
If
not
you
So if you
apply,
click on apply, yeah, then the
yeah,
push will
we are
go.
not totally handing over to AI and do whatever it.
no, no, no. So that will be a problem, right? Because ACO is a costly affair. If you do some mistakes, it will Google or any uh, I mean search engine will penalize you
Yeah.
heavily, right? So
So
you don't want to
if
do
I'm
it.
running a blog in any niche, definitely I have its knowledge of that particular niche, right? So I can approve what I want to,
Yes.
and I will not approve whatever I find that it's doubtful or something like that.
No, if
Yeah, I
you
mean, you
apply,
can.
it will apply all.
Yeah.
I mean, if you feel, okay, no, I will not apply. I'll go through one by one and
You can
simply
manually
copy and
copy
paste that.
and paste also
That's okay.
whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
If
So
So it's
I'll
you,
easy to
show
use
you.
the button here, huh?
I'll
It's
just
easy
apply
to
it.
use. So because we applied all at once, so it's taking a bit time. If we do it one by one, then it will take less, I think.
yeah, as of now, we have kept it once in all. I mean, if you can.
Required tools is now added, right? Required tools was now added.
Now, partially you cannot do it right now. Even but we'll give that also. If you want
Okay.
a particular chunk to be, I mean, pushed, that also you can do it. But right now
Right.
that option is not there. If you apply, it will apply whole.
If you
Okay.
see that, if you control F, yeah, I did not comment. Okay.
No, actually, I have to log in because it is cached.
Okay.
You need to hard refresh it, right?
Yeah, though
I mean, you
this
can do
website
one
is
thing.
actually cached, so
Okay.
it is
Okay.
taking some time to. I mean that I have to log in, then only it will show.
Okay.
Debarghya, can you log in and show it?
Yeah, yeah. Just give me the
I'll give you the URL. Okay.
URL.
Yep. So I'll come back to this. Meanwhile, you can see it is applied already.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Now here also it will show you that it is already fixed.
Oh, is it showing him?
Okay. Coming back to this, uh, so you have top movers.
Can you ping me the Can
Oh,
you ping me
sorry,
the URL, Himati?
I pinged you.
Can you ping me the URL?
Yes, I pinged.
I,
Open it. You can see.
okay.
Okay. So right now there is no data because of that it's not showing. So
Hmm.
this is another CTR analysis. So it
Hmm.
will show you what is your zero CTR keyword. So there are a lot of keywords where you are not getting any clicks or any
Hmm.
impressions also are there, but your clicks are not there. Position is also good maybe some places.
Hmm.
So from there also you can take the decisions. So this is for high impression, low CTR, where you are getting a lot of impressions, but you are not getting your CTR is very low because click is not happening. So probably you can look into it whether it's a commercial queries or transactional queries or informational queries. Based on that, you only can take a decision, right? So similarly for low impression and high CTR, there are couple of probably a query will be there where you are doing great, and you can create clusters around that as well. So that kind of decision you can take it from here.
Hmm.
This is a topical clusters. It will automatically create some clusters for you. It will show branded, non-branded, and
Hmm.
then if you have any clusters, it will show what are the queries and what is your average position and CTR.
Hmm.
Cannibalization is another one. It will show what are the URLs you have cannibalizations.
Okay.
So basically, it is also helpful because same keywords probably you have targeted in multiple places. Because once you have thousand or more than thousand, I mean articles, it is very difficult for you to find out which keyword actually you have already targeted, right?
Hmm.
So this is a good place where you can see and probably you can take a decision based on that.
Hmm.
And can you go up, please, Himati? Yeah. And interestingly, Unesh, majority of the areas, if you can drill down to each queries and
Hmm.
each pages, what happened to this page?
That I'll also show. So
Hmm.
here you can see there is only one clusters. sensor technology. It is showing for that cluster what are the keywords and what is your score, what is the uh, potential click and all.
And probably Himadri, can you go to device parity once? That's an interesting
Yeah.
use case.
So yeah, what Debarghya was talking about, this feature. You click on any query for that particular query, you can see all the data.
mm,
So this is for page as well. For that page, if you have any data, it will show.
mm,
Work Himadri. Yeah, device parity. So basically, this section is very interesting, Umesh. So in the down, it'll have the capability of showing the mobile disparate versus desktop display. Let's say you have a 10 URLs which are doing pretty well in desktop. Actually, we had few beta testers who had done this testing, right? And they were seeing, I have my desktops in desktop I'm ranking at 7 or 6, where in mobile I'm ranking 50, and it will show you the priority of fixes. So basically, if you quickly do the speed fixes for those URLs, your simply clicks will be shooting. So those analysis you don't need to do manually. So those are the things.
This one, for example, you can see, right? It is clearly visible that your desktop ranking is not that great, but your mobile ranking is good. So there
mm,
is some problem, right? Your desktop ranking is around 80, but your mobile ranking is around 19.
mm,
So there is some issue. So that you can take a decisions.
mm,
Okay. So now I'll come back to this is overall the performance matrix we have. Now this is the sharp ranking where you can track the sharp. I have
This is
added.
normal, like what others are giving, sharp keyword tracking. So that's the one.
Yeah. So you will have all the URLs, top 10 URLs, competitors for the particular keywords, and competitor wise also you can see what is the positioning and all. And if your are there, it will show here. But currently, none of my
Okay.
keywords are not ranking, so it's not showing it. Now I'll come back to audit dashboard. This is for AI search visibility. We have two parts for AI visibility. One is audit and fixes. Another is brand visibility. That is part of AIO only. So I have done couple of audit here. So you can see total citation readiness, SEO health, geopulse, audit summary and all. And from here only you can see what is the scores and all. I did this. Let me show you. This is your simulated result. These are the keywords and queries it found. Your AI citation readiness and all these things. From here you can see. These are multiple cards. You can see here why it is low. You see from here you can clearly see, right? Overall citable combined quotable is zero and factual density is zero. So you don't have any factual density in your content, and there is no, I mean, particular sentences or chunks which can be citable. Okay,
mm,
that's why your rank is very low here. Score is low. Con- Quotable content is zero. So nothing is quotable here. Factual density, you have some numbers, but it is not actually uh, what is required to be qualified for factual density is not there.
mm,
But your geo intent and all these things are good. Your structures are good. Authority signal again is weak. You have authority, but actual authority to write particularly for this article, what is required for that particular author bio is required. That is not correct. So let's say you are writing something for sensors or some other technical things, right? At least electrical, if you are writing, so at least you should have any electrical background or something.
yeah,
So that experience, if you put here, obviously that will carry a value, and any search engine will give you priority because already you know what exactly you are talking about, right? Entity clarity, this is also somewhat good, but maybe some improvements are required. RAG structure, it is good, so it is giving proper data. Similarly, direct answerability, some scores are there, but yeah, still there are some chances of improvements.
Hmm.
Detail audit checklist, you can go here, you can see what is working, what is not working. Some are may not be applicable. Let's say if I talk about local business and all articles are not applicable, so it will show red, it will show this
Amber.
alert, but it will not penalize you for that.
Hmm.
Okay, here over AI overview, here actually it will show what are the quotable citations are there, and if any factual densities are there or not. So based
Hmm.
on that, you can take a decision. Some improvement opportunities you will get it here. I'll show for some article where it is good. If you see page geo intent, this is high, this is there, high impact.
Hmm.
So now if you see, these are your quotable statements
Hmm.
for your article, and this is your factual claim detected. So if you search from this, you can get it what exactly sentences or line actually where you have the factual density. So
Hmm.
it's also helpful to go through and to understand what is working, what is not working. And anyhow, once you do the fixes, you will get all the, I mean, missing parts, whatever is not there. So it will tell you the, already I have shown you, right? So it will
Yeah.
tell you what is your content gaps are, how your competitors are doing better, what you have missed it. We
Hmm.
have seen couple of articles where actually it created a calculator for you, and actually we pushed it and we saw it is working as well. So yeah, that kind of capabilities are there for fixes.
Hmm.
I mean, if your computer has some calculator in their page, it will actually can replicate similar kind of calculator as part of fix only. Those level of capability we also have added, right? And same like what he had shown, right? In the SEO fix, same thing you can do a single click. Audit is simply single URL, bulk URL on sidewise, right?
Yeah. So now I'll do audit for this URL. Let's say we'll see what is working, what's not working. Yeah. So we made some fixes, right, for the same article, right? This is the article. So now if you see the score is higher.
Hmm.
These are same data. Now if you see there are a lot of citable
Hmm.
sentences are there.
Quotable statements and factual claims, right?
Yeah.
That's correct. Yeah.
This fix analysis, you will get it in SEO performance pipeline as well, and audit pipeline as well. This will only show the fixes you have done for AIO audit,
Hmm.
AIO sections. Okay,
Hmm.
so directly you can apply the fixes. Mm, I think there is some issue. So for fixes, is actually we are not charging anything. This credit
For application, we are
from
not applying. We are not charging anything for generating
apply
fix.
is free. Once you have connected, it is free.
There's a issue.
So we'll change it.
So, how these credits are consumed exactly?
Yeah, so I'll tell you. For any audit you are doing, single audit, it is 5 credit. Once you
Okay.
are doing any fixes, fixes are 100 credits. Because there are a lot of checks we had to do, and there are a lot of fixes also we have to do that. That is a costly affair. So the fixes are 100 credits only. And yeah, apply is free. Apply, we are not charging anything.
Hmm.
So this is the, for this one, even for ACO performance fixes also it is same as $100. So we are supporting multiple languages. If you have in your I mean blogs or pages are in different languages, it will automatically support that language. So language supports are also there.
And the same context, Unesh, we are launching with 10 different languages. Currently, we have two languages
Right
working,
now we have three here.
three languages, French and Spanish.
French
So we
and
just have 10. Our app will be
French
having
and Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah. So eventually we'll give 10 languages.
Okay. So, in future, you want to are you planning to increase into more languages?
Yeah.
Like,
So total will support 10 languages.
No, Unesh, the thing is for generation,
So right now we
for
have three.
generating any article, analyzing any article, let's say if my language is Bengali, right? My app may not be in Bengali. App will be in English or French or probably another language, Espanol, right? But you can definitely generate content on Bengali. You can fix content on Bengali. Whatever is in my site, those languages definitely will support. But as a whole app, let's say you sign up
okay, so
screen.
it's softwares in the language, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Not
This is for the website. It is nothing to do with your
yeah,
fixes
yeah,
or
yeah. Okay,
your generation of content. Okay. Content generation and fixes and all these things
There are
already are
100
supporting your
languages.
language.
okay, awesome, 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 awesome.
There are
So
100
it is
languages.
basically based on the articles you are providing or URL you are providing. If it is in French, automatically it
Or you are
will fix in
selecting,
the French.
or if you are selecting certain language, it will be showing
Okay,
out this.
awesome, awesome. But
Okay.
for this, generally English is enough for us right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
but people,
but there are a lot of people who are coming from different places and they probably do not like English or maybe they don't know English.
yeah. Mm,
Yeah, so this is AIO brand visibility which I was talking about. So it will show you your brand score overall, how many total citations you have for your brand, and other summary you will get it here. Now nothing is ranking, so it is not showing anything.
yeah.
So second is prompt. Here you can add your prompts. So I have so many prompts, mostly dummy prompts, one or two are correct prompts only. So I'll
Okay.
show you prompt runs. So here actually you can see for your prompts
Mm,
what is ranking, what is not ranking, how it
okay.
is ranking. So now for my keywords or my prompts, nothing is ranking. So it is 0 0 only. But it is showing what your competitors are, how your competitors are ranking.
Mm,
Okay. So you will get all these details.
mm,
And here you have option to choose different modules.
yeah.
Right now I have chosen perplexity. If
Mm,
I go to OpenAI, it will show for OpenAI.
okay.
Okay. Here you can see what is being cited and what is the URL.
Mm-hmm.
So directly you can go to this URL and see what is about. It is some PDF. Yeah. So this is so now you can go for any prompts and see the same way only. This will be historical. So in the prompt section also you have these many options: daily, weekly, monthly, and there is two more, 3 days and 15 days that will add. So you can select the frequency. Prompt runs I have shown. Competitors, so it will show you what who are your competitors, or as well as your domain, and how they are being cited, how many times have been cited, all of this data. Okay, for this prompt, how many prompts is being cited. So if you see gigs for gigs, its average is 2. It is being cited for 2 prompts, 2 different prompts. This is for 4.
Mm,
This average citable citations total, how many time it has been
The
mentioned.
brand has been mentioned. Yeah.
mm,
So like that you can go and see. Yeah, this
awesome.
is this is your brand analysis. You can, I mean, competitor analysis you can do from here. Citations, it will show you the citations. You can choose the
You can
prompt.
have a complete overview of overall all platform with. along with all competitors. It's a good
Yes.
overview, right? It gives you an
What
eagle
they
eye.
are citing, what they're getting cited on,
Yeah.
which URL they are getting cited on, what are the positions of the competitors, how they are doing, so everything. So yeah.
Yeah.
It will
So
be like, old days we used to have, enter SEMrush,
Now
my
we can
domain,
actually, while we are getting this data of our competitors, that for what they are getting cited, we can use this data for new content generation also, right?
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, that's what.
You
So
can
that's
do
what.
your computer analysis and everything, right? Because for that particular keywords, they are only ranking, you are not ranking, so you can see what they have been cited for, right? Now you have 5 or 10 different competitors who are ranking probably for particular one uh, prompts, so
Hmm.
you know what they are being cited and why you are not being cited, or
Hmm.
maybe you have some issues, then you can take I mean a call on that.
Hmm.
And just to add, Unesh, this section, right, which article is citing on what compete, what on a computer, let's say site ABC is quoting your computer called K, right? You can reach out to them for backlink opportunities as well. I mean, this is very few folks platform has done it, but yeah, we have given it so that, if somebody knows SEO or probably some part of SEO, they can reach out to those guys. Okay, you guys have listed those ABC platform, I am their computer, list me as well. Kind of backlink kind of opportunity also it is opening up. Yeah.
Yeah, so citation part, you will be seeing all of your citations, and you can choose platform. I mean, whatever queries you have, you can choose that query, and for that, you can see what is ranking, what is being cited, what is the title and snippet.
Hmm.
So this is also helpful because you will come to know in detail. Yeah.
Probably you want to prioritize top five of your competitors and then probably see the gaps and then optimize or plan your
Yeah.
content strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We can
probably.
add competitor manually also inside.
Right now it is not there because for that particular keywords or prompts, it is taking who is ranking what is being cited, right? So every, I mean, your models are different and they are
So
cited.
what Unnes is asking, if I understand correctly, what you're asking, Unnes, is kind of gap between me and A and B, right? I'll add two of my competitors and myself and see who all are ranking between three of us or what are the gaps, kind of that, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, that's also one part of it, but
Yeah.
what I'm saying is that I have a competitor in mind, and I know that our businesses are same, and I want to add that particular though side of that business in here as a competitor, so I can find what I'm missing in
Kind of
Okay.
competition.
track,
Yeah.
kind of track. Okay.
So competitor analysis and competitor level
Tracking.
tracking also probably we can think of in this AIO visibility that is missing. Yeah, that is a good suggestion.
Good
Probably we
suggestion,
can
actually.
take this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome,
Thanks,
awesome.
Unnes. It's a good point. Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'll come back to content generation. So every places we have a dashboard. So content generation will have its own dashboard where you can have
Yeah.
all the details of the content generation. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is your overall content, whatever we have generated, and what is your score. Its score always will be low because this is a new generated content. It is not been pushed. So
Hmm.
authority of your, I mean, particularly author and all these things will be less. So that's why this score is coming a little bit less.
Hmm.
So here, so Unesh, probably Himati can go to brand analysis. Once any person
Yeah.
come with a new brand, so he will add. He anyhow has added his own site as a workspace, and he'll come here. Okay. So click on brand analysis. Everything will be
Yeah.
analyzed.
So I'll tell you. Once you have come to this place, right, first time, these
Hmm.
are all dynamic. Right now you have everything is in place, so that's why it's showing generate optimized content. First time whenever you will come, it will simply tell you to generate the brand analysis.
Hmm.
So it will rewrite here. You can have your brand analysis. It will tell about your brands, what you have to do, what is your strategic analysis, and all these things, content strategies, suggestions, and everything. Once this is generated, it is required because based on your brand only, all those algorithms and everything are being prepared so that this data are being consumed.
Hmm.
Personalized content, brand voice, brand tone,
Yeah.
brand audience in target.
So I have created again. So it will refresh your data. Similarly, once this is done, then you have default presets. The preset is nothing but how you want your content to be, right? So you can set all of your presets from here. If you want AI generated stock image and all these things from here. Okay.
So basically, how you want to write your article, kind of setting. You set it once, and that will
Yeah.
remain, or you can change
So,
it if you want to. Yeah.
so right now it is third party. Let's say I want first party only.
Hmm.
So I'll save it. Or maybe I want my default language to be something else. So
Hmm.
I change it and it will be in that language only.
Hmm.
So that later on you don't have to, I mean, figure out what language I'll give and all these things. So once this is done, this brand analysis and preset, you will come back to this one, topical map.
Hmm.
So already I have created some topical map. So it will
Hmm.
show you how your contents are currently. From here also you can see, visualize, preview, come
Hmm.
here. So I was initially talking about, right, we have 4 or 5 level of topical clusters. So
Yeah.
the way you will give the authority, right? So this is the one. So how many we have here? One, two, three, four. So these are my pillar pages, right? So under that we have sub, hub, then we have topic and all these things. Now these are the queries we have under that, and you can write on that.
Hmm. Awesome.
Now if I want to write for this one, so I'll show you the behavior will be completely different. Okay.
Hmm.
So here it is showing
Main
like this,
keyword.
right?
Right. This is main keyword auto return over here.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So now if I go, I want to do it for a hub page. This is my hub, right? So under
Hmm.
that also there are a lot of keywords, right? We have
Hmm.
a lot of other keywords. So if I open this, I have how many? 24 keywords are there. So now
Hmm.
let's say I want to write for this particular one.
Hmm. The full hub. Yeah.
So it
Yeah.
will add
All
all.
articles will be generated.
Yes. Now it is telling what is the pillar, what is its topic. So it
Awesome.
understand how the cluster should be.
Yeah. Yeah. I can understand that.
Yeah. So now for each and every keywords, if you want to give your own inputs, you can provide here.
Kind
Awesome.
of knowledge base, or how you want to add some specific
If you
facts to
don't give,
specific.
it will automatically generate. But if you want to give any particular feedbacks or any particular information which has to be there in the content, you can provide here.
Yeah.
And you can
And
generate.
obviously, after generation, we can review it before publishing, right?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
also I'll show you. So this is
So I
one
think
part. And here you have the options. Choose the cluster, include image, internal links, and all these things.
Awesome. Awesome.
This is another one which Debarghya was talking about. So basically, let's say I have a product page or maybe particular page where I want to create a blog. Now that product page will have their own specific set of instructions, images, context, and everything, which probably nobody understands because this
Hmm.
is a new site or nowhere it is in public, right? So
Hmm.
now let's say if you want to write on that, how will you write? You will give your all details about your product link, images, and everything. It will do the sub for that particular topic. It will understand all of your competitors and everything. It will craft a, I mean, content for you, and then you can probably edit and all of this thing you can do it. Okay, this is another part, localized authority post. Basically, let's say I have a post already in English. Now I want that same post to be in a different language.
Yeah.
So you can just simply give your uh, Slack name, which is already there. It will automatically fetch and do it. Basically, so here there is some problem. So it has to be coming from your planner only. So
Hmm.
from this drop down, whatever titles and posts are there, right? From there only you can generate. Okay, so this is one product article we generated. I'll show you.
Hmm.
This is for meta description. Okay, so it will write everything for you.
Hmm.
Now, this is your tool part came into picture. Tool associated, automate precisions, how will generate, what are the steps. These are all your tools steps.
Hmm.
Okay, based on that, you can conclude it.
Awesome.
Now you can edit from here and you can save it also. Let's say you want in different languages. I'll change the language, this core and all these things. These are all dynamic. It's not hard coded or maybe some heuristic. It is all, I mean, analyzing your content only, giving all this data. So what is working, what is not working, you can see from here. Your creation, citation possibility, RAG optimization, metadata, it, and all these things. Suggestions. So in the outline, you can see what is your current outline. It is passed or failed. Meta descriptions. You can see how in search you will be shown. You can change the title or meta from here. And another interesting part I'll show you. Let's say I mean I don't know English. I have generated the content in different languages. Now everything you can see right in different languages. Only your content is in English because we have generated in English. Now I don't understand all of this. What is written? What I'll do, I'll reanalyze. Yeah, this one. See now everything generated in that language only.
Hmm.
So this will be helpful if somebody doesn't understand English.
Hmm. So,
Yeah, so you can edit from this particular places, you can save it, and from here only you can publish to draft or directly you can publish. If any integrations are not there, right now I have integrations, and yeah, that is
right
also.
now we have ready integration with WordPress with Shopify, right?
Yeah, I'll show you integration part.
WordPress, Shopify, then we have Webflow, and we
So
have
right now
this.
we have WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Ghost, Content
Content.
Fuel. We are not giving right now because Contentful actually it's kind of a different platform where you have to push and then again you have to publish in some other places. So
Yeah,
content
so
generation
we
it will work, but whenever you will push any data for fixes and all, that will not go. So we are working on it. So right now this is partially done.
and eventually we'll give webhook through
Yeah, so
API.
Webhook probably another 15-20 days will have Webhook. If if you have any CMS or anything, you can directly consume the data and push to any platform.
In Shopify, it publishes blog articles also, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
What I see over here is sync products and pages from your Shopify store. So each product page is also can be optimized with this, right?
Yes, you can
Okay.
optimize the product pages as well.
Okay.
Schema and all also we have tried, and yeah, you can change the schema as well for your blogs and all. So that also we have.
And another question we had some time back, that these changes are permanent or temporary, right? Because these are associated with the domains or workspace that you currently have, right? So these changes are permanent, right? I mean, somebody can having 50 or 100 workspace, they can literally change 100 to another 100, and you know, uh, the changes will
So,
be
for
there.
example, what they were we meant to say, let's say your limit is two, so maximum you can add two workspace, right? Now the previously problem was that you had JS based solutioning and all these things. Whenever we'll push the data and your data is gone, then you will not be able to show those data, right? So that is a problem for the users. Now what we did, once you connected your two workspace, I mean two website, you generated your content or maybe fixed it, pushed the content. Now you delete your workspace. All of your data is gone from our side, but it is already there in your particular website, right? Because it is directly pushed to your website. So your CMS is handling those data.
So once the complete optimization is done, we can replace it with another site. This is very good for agencies who work for, let's
Yeah.
say, a
So
period of time with a client, right?
yeah, we got a lot of feedback related to that. So we thought of coming out of the JS based solutioning, because JS based also, if I give only meta schema and all these things, it will work fine. But the problem is if you have contents where we have, I have shown you right already 4 or 5 fixes. It is giving H2 H3 and all these things. Now everything is going in a JS based. Sometime probably Google will read, sometime will not read. That is a problem, right? Because if I am pushing to your CMS directly, it is already there, so it will always find it.
So we already answered the comment on the screen right now, right? It's
Yes, you
answered.
can remove. Yeah, you can. Okay, there's a question. Yeah, you can remove. Your connected domain and swap, but just FYI. So if you are removing one domain, we will remove all the data from our system because it's business data, critical data. We don't want to keep them stored. And if you want to connect back, re-optimize, you have to again switch it. You have to add and start. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, in that case, what you can do, whatever optimization you have done, you push it to your CMS, and then you
So
can
I
delete
have
it.
a suggestion and a question both over here at this point. I would suggest you to keep at least for a few days after a user deletes. So if user re-add the same domain again in few days, you do not have to fetch all the data again, right? That's one suggestion over here. At your backend, you can keep it for few days. It's an automated. After few days,
I
it's
mean,
automatic.
only that is true. We also thought of, but there are folks who told no, this is my client's data.
Yeah,
So
so
I,
there are a lot of this kind of problems
Yeah,
are
yeah,
there.
yeah. Okay. So awesome.
if
I
I'm
have one
offboarding my client, so why data will be with you? So those kind of questions and input we got. We thought, okay, no, let's not keep the data for if you are
Okay.
deleting. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
We assuming if you are deleting, you definitely would have pushed your changes to your
Yeah.
website. Yeah, I mean that's.
So I have one more question over here. I think I asked you on a private call or on a beta testing meet, whatever we talked about, that if someone applied a fix, is it reversible with Newtonic or not?
No, right now it is not reversible because we are pushing directly to your CMS. Now you made some changes or something has been added. So that we cannot control, right? Because then it
Yeah.
will be a complete mess of your content.
Okay.
So
Awesome. Awesome.
Let's say if I have added two paragraph, you felt okay, I'll optimize, add something there, will
Hmm.
add another image, so I don't have those history what
Yeah.
you're optimizing. If I try to roll back, high chances, 10% chance, even if it is there, it can mess things up. So that is why we are not keeping those. Yeah.
Okay.
so I'll show you from where exactly you can delete it. This is one place where you can directly delete your
Okay.
workspace. There is another option. You can go to settings. From here also you can delete your workspace.
Okay. Awesome.
And
Yeah.
like individual agents, these are pipelines, Unish, and individual agents. Yeah, so you can like what was there in all schema, it
Hmm.
already
Yeah,
it is
this is
there.
same only. You can. do your audit and apply the fixes. Integration it
Once
will
we
take from
connect
you.
and integrate, let's say I connect my WordPress or Shopify, everything is auto fetched, right? So I don't have to add each URL separately.
For schema, no, you have to add.
For schema, I have to add, right?
For
Yeah.
anything, I mean, individual agent you want to run, we have given the flexibility either simply dump it 50 URLs
So
or
what you
1.
can do, whatever you have, if you have a CSV, directly upload the CSV and generate it, or maybe you can give single URL and you can
Because
do
we
the
did not want to keep polling because no, it is not a good practice. We want to give the flexibility to user. Okay, no, come and choose what URL you feel like need to be optimized.
Yeah, yeah, awesome.
Because anyhow, those solution
Uh,
we have given to SEO performance, right? As a whole site wise, this thing you can
mm,
do. So
we also talked about a white label report, right? So is it upcoming or is it live
no,
it
already?
no,
is
it
there,
is
it is live, Punesh.
uh,
Probably
It's
you can go to audit Himadri or yeah, probably audit. Okay.
a report.
where the report.
Awesome,
Yeah. So
I
awesome.
can
we are there.
choose not only this, you can choose your preset. Let's say you don't have to add your brand every time agency. You can
Every
load the
time, yeah,
preset.
yeah, that's.
Yeah, yeah. You can load
I
the
showed you
preset.
one of this example, right? If you remember, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
you have
So
to.
what is the place they were? I think here only
Yeah.
some place.
So go to subscription. Yeah, and go to subscription. Yeah. So there you have white level. Yeah, you simply add your
Yeah, you can set it here. Okay.
Awesome, awesome. This is awesome,
color and logo. I mean, whatever uh, brand color or something,
awesome, awesome.
and that will be auto fetched if you select.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So let me
And
show you.
white label reporting is not only for SEO; it's geo audit, SEO audit, everywhere you feel.
Everything, right? Everything in one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So let me show you.
So let's generate a.
Yeah, Himati Valley. You just add the preset, no? Load the preset, yeah.
Yeah,
On
I'm
yeah,
gonna see.
that's
Okay.
it. Yeah, generate link. Yeah.
Currently. Okay, so this is the.
What happened?
Okay. So there are some issues.
There must
Okay.
be some issue.
Yeah. So
Okay. Let's
yeah,
do
we'll
one thing.
look into
Go
it.
to geo audit, Himatri. Go to geo audit. Let's show once. Geo audit. Yeah. Click on this dashboard.
Audit section.
Yeah. Click on here. Share report.
Share report. Yeah.
Yeah. Go to
Widely
white label. Yeah.
preset. Yeah, one click is
Correct.
here.
Yeah.
Okay. Generate. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so this is
Yeah.
report. There is the
Yeah.
download option also.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, go click on this Himantri, this all issue. I mean, the first one, first link. First
Which
link.
one?
Come down, please.
This one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is your report. You can go over different tabs. I mean, if you share this to anyone, your client or your team member, they can quickly go over it. Go up, please. Yeah,
I
there's a
mean,
download.
whatever we had, right, for that particular audit,
Yeah,
you can see it.
and download report is also there. Go up, please.
Yeah,
Yeah,
download.
we'll download the PDF version of what we are seeing here. Right.
So
In
in
case if
PDF, as it's not clickable, there must be more pages, right? Yeah, yeah,
no,
awesome.
everything will come in. Everything will come in. So even if it is collapsed in your UI, it will be expanded before it
No, you
can
can
access.
see, right, all the data it is
Yeah,
already
I can see
shown.
everything, right? It's awesome.
So that way it will come.
Okay, awesome, awesome.
And another interesting fact. So a lot of places in different GSC where we're talking about, right? So you can see 1 year, 3 months, or 6 months, the specific range.
Hmm.
So but we got a feedback from one of our beta tester. Why not give one comparative data? If you go back up, please, Himadri, go to the date range. Go to
Yeah.
probably growth and decay or top movers. Okay. Go to the calendar one, right hand side. Yeah. So if you see here, it is same thing. We tried to replicate what is available in Google Analytics. You can compare today between 7 days, same day, 2 days this year to last day, 365 days. all this kind of variation you can do, which is actually not possible in your GSC out of gate. So that's something got a feedback from one of our great beta testers. Yeah. So yeah, I mean you can do that.
Yeah, so this is the comparison data you can see.
Right. And eventually, not to mention, but yeah, we have two different theme. I mean, for people who like dark, they can use dark like me, or they can choose the white one. That's the way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, that's about pretty much Onish. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. I think this is one complete suite for anyone who is looking for a complete SEO, AIO, GEO, whatever it is, a complete
Even
solution.
for content generation, I mean, it can take your brand and can probably have a capability of 1,000 article generated. And honestly, Unais, this is highly trained based on specific data. It's and we have and anyone is welcome to test and get the scoring. So let's say our benchmarking score says 8.5 to 9.3 out of 10 in Geo and AO. Any article you can take, I mean, any article you can generate and test it with your any GPT or any AI model that you have. And we have trained it highly and not like normal generator. You have SERP, you have competition, you have gap analysis, you have how it should rank in AI, how it should adhere with the existing topical authority. Plus, it is highly trained on holistic SEO, central entity, highly trained on Google patents. Right? So those things are highly going in into the article, and actually our article and we basically claim that we are consistently getting 8.5 is the lowest, 9.3 as of now is the highest. And we have, trust me, we have, anyone is welcome to test any of their existing AI writer, starting Zim writer and any AI writer they have. We have tested, the score comes around 6 7, maximum 7.5. Any AI tool that I can at least test at least 19 to 20 21 roughly. So, and interestingly, it has the capability to create, this is, can you see, this is a AI image, this is an AI image, right?
See,
So infographics, uh,
this this
This,
image is being generated by the AI only.
so
hmm.
this is not I mean those
It's
all
a
capabilities.
electrical technical thing, right? So,
Yes.
yeah. Hmm.
So
So
it
you can
has
see that.
infographics, it has graphs, everything it can generate. That level of capability we have kept. That's what.
Hmm.
So these are all the images. Very difficult to get your AI adhere to this, but yeah, we have chaining prompt which actually forces it to do it.
This is actually, for content creators and content, it's a game changing because right now they just have to give some inputs and get everything ready and just confirm it and push it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
It
so
is there.
basically,
It is there. One second, Himatri. It is there. But what we have seen, right now, you can write content, get AI writer, content from AI writer and push. It doesn't rank because it does not bring factual density. So let's say
Hmm.
I can. People talk about, okay, I have to write 2,500 word article, right? But actually, how Google algorithm sees how much factual density you have, and remaining how much fluff you have, how much quotable sentence you have, how much new data information gain you are helping. Because see, Google end of the day or AI end of the day are nothing but machine, right? They simply have crawlers. They will crawl your website, and if they don't find values, information valuable than other place than your competitors, why they will bother crawling you? Then people complain, okay, my content is thin content. People complain, okay, my content is not being crawling or not getting indexed. Boss, why it will crawl? They will not waste their budget algorithm or crawl bot to crawl your website if it is not having getting information gain. I mean, Corey Tuberg specifically talk about it a lot,
Awesome.
holistic SEO, yeah, around those areas. But yeah.
So, I think we've covered everything. We also showed the white label report and everything right now. Anything left, Himadri, if you want to share?
no, I think all of the modules already have.
And interestingly, another thing Himadri probably like to share on the homepage once. So we have 16, as of today, 16 free tools. People
Yeah.
can explore that, right?
Oh,
And we are, we are uh, committed to growing this list to 50 and even more, right?
Yeah,
awesome.
so there are a lot of free tools right now. You don't need to log in on anything.
People say, okay, I have generated schema from from Nuwtonic. How do I test it? How do
So,
I test each snippet?
so
Right?
you can check schema markup, rich result test, image SEO tool, alt text checker is there, alt text generator. These are all free. Image file name generator.
Hmm.
Then H1 tag, heading structure, canonical URL checker, broken link checker, redirect checker. Yeah.
Hmm.
So a couple of other tools also we are working on. So we'll increase this free tool.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
So
Mhm.
you can see here, these many free tools are there currently.
These are
This
free tools. Yeah,
will
thank
help
you.
for your own SEO also because people
Yes,
look for free tools,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. It will help on our own SEO also.
Yeah.
Free tools.
I've
Correct.
seen many SaaS tools doing this, and they
Yes,
are successfully being doing this, right?
Yeah.
true.
Awesome, awesome. So, guys, thank you for your time
Yeah.
and explaining us about this platform. And I think this is game changing thing, and it will be. It's very good for an some freelancer managing multiple projects or an agency, because right now if they have capacity to manage, let's say, 5 to 10 clients manually, they can easily manage 100 and 200 clients with this tool, and they don't need further more team members to be hired for the client projects. This is awesome. Thank you guys for joining this live
Umesh,
stream.
sorry,
Yeah,
I am stopping you. One change we forgot to mention. So previously, all schema had one-time credit, right?
yeah,
So now we got a lot of feedback. Now what we had done is monthly. So SEO tool with monthly credit, you come every month, you generate article, do SEO analysis, right? So now it is monthly, right? Even if you have zero credits, let's say in a month you have exhausted all of your credit, you don't want to generate anything, you want to simply get the SEO analysis done for hundreds of your websites, you
hmm,
anyhow do it for free. Those are unlimited. So let's say you have 100 websites as a plan, or 150 as a plan. You can do, even if you have zero credits, you don't want to spend, only you want to analyze which article are dropping, why dropping, device spec, all this analysis
yeah.
are completely free out of GSC performance dashboard. That's what I mean. You can consider that GSC plus SEO analysis, what others are giving partially, we have done it fully. What others are charging, we are giving away free for lifetime, unlimited one. That's the one.
Awesome. And credits are renewing every month, so that's an
Every
addition.
month, yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Every
Awesome.
month you can generate article,
That's
generate
a very huge update. And guys, there is one deal right now going on. I think I will share my screen and show it to you. So let me share my screen, that particular tab. And here we are now, right now on Nuwtonic website. So guys, when you, sorry, I am on my workspaces. Let's go back to the home page and I'll show you the plan. Just jump to pricing pages and you shift to LTD, and here are lifetime plans for these are pricing. And on top of that, you get 20% off if you use this coupon code, which right now I am dropping inside the comment box. From wherever you're watching, you will get inside the comment box. And yeah, Newtonic early. This is coupon code. I'll just drop inside the comment box. This is coupon code. Uh, Let me write for 20% off. Okay. So guys, code, and you can go and check out the deal, and you can use this coupon code for additional 20% off on this pricing, right? So now let's have a look at all the different plans. We have one bronze plan of $159, you can minus the 20% of coupon code. You get two domains, one user seat, 50 rank tracking keywords, five reports per month.
I mean,
Yeah,
you can compare, Unesh, if you come down, please, slightly.
yeah.
Yeah, these are the comparisons so for better
So
understanding.
let's say what's missing, right? So AI Copilot is missing in first plan, and
Right.
you have in everything rest. Then you have content writer missing in first and second plan.
Bulk. In bulk, it is missing. Yeah. Yes.
It's bulk, right?
Yeah.
And product authority writer is missing in just first plan. And yeah, you just, this is what I call a eye scanning, right? So I'm just moving to the point where there is difference, right? So
Right, right, right.
advanced topical map extension is missing in first two plans, and you go further because there is a very, this is very big list or very huge list, you
Yes,
can say, of
yes.
features. And yeah, so custom performance dashboard is available in top three plans only, right? And similarly, if we go down, one-on-one personal onboarding is in only available in the top tier, and live chat support is available in top two tiers. Now let's move ahead to this pricing table thing and see the names, right?
It
uh,
will be down. It will be down slightly. Yeah.
oh, sorry, I think I moved. My screen is visible, right? Yeah. uh, so yeah, so if we see main difference over here, you get
Unless
one.
this is monthly plan you are
Sorry, sorry,
referring.
sorry,
Yes.
sorry,
Sorry.
sorry.
Yeah.
So this is two domains in first plan, 10 domains in silver, 30 domains in gold, 75 domains in diamond, and 150 domains in platinum plan, right? So this is because there are many differences of credits in this. You get 500, 1000, 2000, 4000, and 10,000. But main thing is projects, right? Because on this you decide mainly people decide on this one. But if you want to go with lesser domains and you have less credits, you can decide on yourself. So this was just an overview of lifetime deals pricings, and obviously you can get 20% off with the given code in the comment box, so you can use that coupon code and get your discount, right? Anything else you want to share, Debarghya?
No, I mean we are pretty good, and really thanks to you for
Yeah, so you can
having
see
us on
this
board
coupon
today.
code on screen right now. I just shared my own comment from Facebook and YouTube both. So guys, thank you for joining, and see
Thank you
you
so
in
much.
the next stream. And we'll be talking about some other tool with that particular tools team.